In today's video, I'm going to teach you using Notion to budget your life in Singapore. Notion is incredibly flexible, which makes it perfect for tracking local expenses in SGD and tailoring everything to the way you actually spend. Whether you start from scratch or use a personal finance template, the goal is a clear, reliable system you'll stick with. Begin by creating a new page and either pick a budget template or build your own. At the heart of this setup is a single transactions database that holds every expense and income entry. Keeping one source of truth prevents double counting and makes summaries accurate. Next, define the key properties that bring each transaction to life. Add a name or description so you can quickly identify what it was. Set an amount property and make sure the currency is SGD. Include the date the transaction occurred so you can filter by month. Add a category using select or multi-select options that reflect the Singapore cost of living, like MRT or bus transport, hawker food, utilities, rent or mortgage, groceries, and entertainment. Include an account field to indicate where the money came from or went, such as a bank account, credit card, or cash. Use a type field for income or expense, and a notes field for details like the specific stall or shop. For a complete view, create linked databases and connect them to transactions. An accounts database helps you track balances across bank accounts and e-wallets. A budget planning database sets monthly limits per category. A savings or goals database lets you monitor progress toward things like a down payment or a vacation. A subscriptions database keeps recurring charges and due dates visible. Use relations and roll-ups to tie these together. Now add automation with formulas. Use formulas to calculate totals by category, remaining budget amounts compared to your monthly caps, and your overall cash flow by subtracting expenses from income. This makes your status obvious at a glance. Build a dashboard with views tailored to how you review money. A monthly summary view filters to the current month and sorts by date. A category view displays a pie or bar chart so you can visualize where your spending concentrates. A calendar view helps you track bill due dates and recurring expenses. Make data entry a habit by logging expenses daily or every few days. Schedule a weekly or monthly review to spot patterns and adjust your budget. And keep refining for the Singapore context, like separating hawker food from restaurant dining or fine-tuning transport categories. With Notion's flexibility, you'll stay mindful of your spending and on track to reach your financial goals in Singapore.